Guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to link your Exness Trading Account to MetaTrader 5 using the updated method. If you've been struggling to connect your account or you're setting things up for the first time, this tutorial will make the whole process super simple. So stay with me till the end. You don't want to miss any step. First, we need to access the Exness portal. Open your browser and head over to my.x.com. Log in using your credentials. And if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on My Accounts. You should now see your trading accounts listed, for example, Real MT5 Standard or whatever account type you're using. Next, we're going to retrieve the details required for MT5. Find the account you want to connect and click the three-dot menu on the right side. Select account information. A small window will appear showing your MT5 login number and the server name. These two pieces of information are crucial, so keep them ready because we'll use them in just a moment. Now open the MetaTrader 5 desktop app on your computer. Once MT5 launches, go to the File menu at the top left and select Open an Account. A search box will appear. Type Exness in the search bar and look for Exness Technologies Limited. Click on it and then hit Next. At this point, choose the option Connect to an existing trade account. This is where we'll input the details you copied earlier. For the login field, paste your MT5 login number from the Exness portal. For the password, use the same password you used to log into your Exness account. And for the server, select the exact server shown in your portal. For example, something like XNASMT5RE1. Make sure it matches perfectly because choosing the wrong server is the most common reason accounts fail to connect. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Finish. MT5 will now attempt to connect to your Exness account. If everything was entered properly, you'll see a confirmation pop up and your balance, trades IC, and market data will begin to load. That means your Exness account is officially linked to MT5 and ready for trading. And that's it. Your Exness Trading Account is now connected to MetaTrader 5 using the updated method. If this guide helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more simplified trading tutorials. If you have any issues or errors, let me know in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.